Okay, so as far as a Noahide, are you obligated to tithe to give 10% of your income? Obligated? No. Is it a good recommendation? Sure, if you're going to give it for the sake of publicizing Torah and helping Jews do tshuva. It's certainly going to help you in your life and your eternity. If you help one Jew do tshuva, needless to say, if you help many Jews do tshuva, you're going to have endless amount of blessings both in this world and the next, much more than you will get from anything else that you do on your own. But as far as is it obligation? No, just like it, you're not obligated to work a full-time job. You're not obligated to be ambitious. You're not obligated to succeed. You're not obligated to eat a healthy diet. You're not also obligated to eat very much. But we do usually many of those things that I just mentioned. Why? Because there's a benefit to doing all of those things. There's a benefit to doing all of those things, and a person that looks at the benefit of what they do is going to live accordingly. When a person looks at the benefit of simply this world, they're going to live for this world. When a person looks at the benefits of eternity, they're going to live their life according to what is going to benefit their eternity.